Okay guys, welcome back to our HTML series. So in our last video I talked about the head tag and the body tag, and I also introduced how I also told you guys how you can create your folder, create your first HTML file, and I also show you how you can run it on your browser. So in this video I'll be showing you the heading tags, some heading tags that are in HTML, and I'll also be showing you some paragraph tags and even an image tag also. So here I already have the code written, so I'll be showing you how it will be displayed on your browser. So the head tag here has h1 to h6. The h1 is the biggest while the h6 is the smallest. So um the paragraph tag, just like the name implies, paragraph is used to arrange your words or your sentence in paragraph. So if you want to write about yourself, you can arrange it in paragraph using the paragraph tag. And in case you want to move to the next line, there's a tag called line break. I also have it here in my code. See the line break, the br tag is the line break. So you can use the line break tag to move to the next line. It functions like the enter key on your keyboard, just like here. If I click the enter key on my keyboard, you see it automatically moves to the next line. So just like that, that's what the line break does in your HTML, because even in your HTML the enter key does not even work. So if, like in this my paragraph tag now, if I click enter and launch this on a web page, which I've already done, you see that it's not even working. I clicked enter here. On my code the enter is between the line and the break, but here is not even visible. So but if I use a line break, just like I've used here in my code, I used it between the comma and the word and if you can look at my output, the output of my code, you will see that the line break automatically moves every word, every sentence, or every word after the br tag to the next line. So that's what line break does for you. So, and if you can see the heading, like I said, the h1 is the biggest heading you have in your HTML. The h2, the h3, h4, h5, and h6. See that the h6 is the smallest and the h1 is the biggest. So let me go and show you guys more stuffs on my code. So here we have talked about the hash tags, which is from h1 to h6, and we have already talked about the paragraph and the line break. So let's talk about the image tag. So the image tag is noted with img. So, and how the image tag works is that it works with attributes. So the kind of attributes it works with is the source attribute. The source attribute is, we tell the HTML where the image is in your computer or in your system. So, and then it works with an alternative attribute. What the alternative attribute does is that whenever your browser is not able to locate your image, maybe you misspelled the name of the image, or you didn't give the exact location where the image is, then the alternative attributes will show. Let me give you an example. Let me take for instance I misspelled this my image source now, and I mistakenly did not put p. What it will do is that it will automatically put this icon here. You see this small icon here, it will put it and then show whatever that I've written in my alternative attributes. So automatically show everything I've written in my alternative attributes. So if we go back to our code now, you see that in my alternative attribute I have this that says this is my coding progress. You understand? So If you come here, you see that small icon and then whatever that is in my alternative attribute. So the alternative attribute helps you to give a specific information about your image. Maybe you put an image of yourself. You can say this is an image of myself. Then you can now put some write-ups about yourself and in a paragraph. Before putting the image, you can now say that this is an image of myself. Or maybe you are writing about a school, you're creating a website for a school or some business like that, and you put an image, maybe their logo. You not be like putting an attribute to the image saying that this is our logo, some stuff like that. It will help the person whenever the person's browser did not load the image well. It will bring out that icon that I just showed you, and then it will tell the person what the image is all about. So the alternative attribute is used to tell a user what an image is all about. That's the only work of the alternative attribute. Then remember that helps you to the source attribute helps you to locate the image wherever it is in your system. So in this video we have already talked about 4 things, and the first thing we talked about is the hashtag, which I've already showed you, the paragraph tag, the line break, and the image tag. So in the next video we'll be talking more about tags, and we'll be touching more of attributes. I touched a little bit of attributes in this video, so in the next video we'll be talking more of attributes. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, I'm Ngwube. Like and subscribe to my channel.